Okay, I'm going to show you how to iron on this iron-on Velcro. It comes with a sticky back on it here, and I'm going to do a linear piece here on this cushion, and this is a real smooth, kind of different kind of fabric, which I'm thinking I may even need to sew this, but we're going to try doing the iron-on method for the Velcro strips. So what I'm going to do is peel this all the way off and get this straight, and then start applying steam in the iron to get this to lay down. Okay, so here we have the iron, nice and steamy, and I'm just gonna keep moving it back and forth just to not burn the fabric. Just applying some light pressure to activate the adhesive in the sticky back. And we're gonna see how this lays down. I'm just gonna press it. Oh yeah, it almost burned. That burned right on there, so that's too much heat. Let's back off the heat. Yeah. The trick is to keep it moving here. So that side laid down, just kind of try to back off the heat on your iron, and I'm gonna go ahead and run a little more steam here. Just keeping it moving fast, just to get that steam under there. I don't wanna burn the hook and loop Velcro. And that should be good. A little bit of water drippage there from the steamer, but this should lay down pretty good. The steam is what activates the glue, not the heat pressure. So kind of learn as we go. We did a little bit of I burnt it a little bit here, but learn from your mistakes, right? Put it on YouTube so you guys can learn. So this is the other piece, which is on there pretty good. I'm gonna go ahead and let this kind of cure, and I'm gonna hit it one more time with steam, and it should lay down pretty good. Pretty good. All right. Okay, so after I laid the steam down, I'm letting it just dry, like air cool, before I go and stick it down and see if it holds. It seems to be pretty strong. I'm trying to pry it up just with my fingers before it's totally cured, and it seems to be pretty strong. So hopefully this iron and Velcro adhesive will do what it says it does. Just remember not to do what I did on the first part of the video, is to just press down with the hot iron, because it cooked off this felt. The trick was to get it full steaming across and kind of moving it fast. So it looks promising, but we'll see. Worst case scenarios, we'll just sew it on. Okay, here we are in the RV where this is going, and I have the cushion here, and let's get it in place and see if this thing holds. And then more importantly, see if it peels off when I lift it off of here. So now it's not going anywhere, which is what we want. And then if I lift up, it's strong. It's wanting to pull it off the plywood. That's pretty good. Let me try to release it here. Hand. And let's see how it did. All right. Pretty good. That piece that I messed up, which is this one, wants to peel off. Okay, that didn't bond good. This one bonded very good. The second piece I did. So this first test piece, I'm gonna call that a semi-success. I'll probably put a stitch here, but this piece that I did on the second part of the video there held great. So I'm gonna call this a win. And this is good in a pinch because I don't have time to sit here and sew this. I gotta leave tomorrow. So I will call this good. And hopefully this helps you guys out, learn how to sew on, or how to iron on Velcro, using the Velcro steam iron trick product, whatever they call it. And yeah, thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll get you in the next video.